Chinelo, I don't understand what you want me to do. Eh? You guys are still owing me. Eh? And you still want me to treat her.
I told you that when her son Ebuka comes back, I will make sure he pays you. Please, just help us and treat Mama Biko.
This is the same thing Mama said the last time. Do you know how much Mama is owing me? Chinelo, I'm not a fool.
I know. Nobody is saying you are a fool. See, we are not taking your kindness for granted. It's just because of the way things are. Biko. Okay, wait. See, this is 5,000 naira. 5,000. Just take it and treat Mama. I will pay you the rest.
Chinelo, you are funny. Okay. Mama is owing me 20,000 naira. And now you are giving me 5,000.
I will pay back the remaining 50,000 naira. It's your okay, even if the son doesn't come back, I will look for money and pay you. Just help me and treat this woman. I don't like this condition. Biko, please don't say no. I beg you in the name of God. Please. Biko, Ejim Chukwu Ayobi, Biko. Biko, I will pay back. I promise. Biko.
Chinelo, can I see you for a minute?
Okay, no problem.
Outside.
Oh yeah. Biko, no, please help us. I promise. If you're scared, I promise you, I will pay back this money.
Oga? Yeah, I'll be like Oga?
This noisy, I don't want to stop following me around this village.
Was that why you slapped me? Me?
Because you don't respect yourself. This will teach you a lesson.
You know, you're stabbing me. Are you mad?
Let me, you will kill me today.
You will kill me today.
You will kill me today.
What did you say?
Stop it. Stop it.
You don't have respect of me, eh?
Oh boy, what did you do now?
I used to be scared.
What is it?
Oga, who are you?
Village style.
Oga, who are you? Why are you?
Is it by force to be your friend? Is it by force? Is it by force? Don't touch me.
To you and you are doing this thing. Hey, what?
Because he's asking me out. This so it's like this out.
That's why he's beating you up.
Yes.
When I make it. Can I make it?
Huh?
Oh, yeah, tell her you are sorry.
Sorry.
Come here.
Hey.
Tell her you are sorry.
Sorry.
Tell her again that you're sorry.
Oh,
that you will not try it again.
I will never in my life womanize. Hey.
Stand up. Tell her you're sorry again. Sorry, ma. Yeah. You are good.
Thank you, sir.
Brother, you are beating brother. You are beating a woman.
Wait, let me talk.
Who tell you said that they beat a woman?
Brother.
Eh?
Just tell
No,
me.
you're beating a woman.
Chinelo, let me have the 5,000. Is it complete?
Yes, it is. Okay.
So how do you intend paying the rest, 15,000 naira balance? Never mind, I will help you. I will make it easy for you. Chinelo, Imanema Mwai. What you have to do is to come to my house this evening, yeah? And warm my bed. Yeah, kai solia. Kai go to you want to go for? Yeah, I will waive the balance away. Yes, I will not talk about it again.
I should come and warm your bed.
Mama.
God forbid that I, Chinelo, should sleep with you. Instead, let Mpu hang on my back.
And that Mpu will not only hang on your neck, and it will also kill you. Yes. Okay, you take me for a fool, eh? I should treat.
Come back, Okoro. How about the 5,000 naira that I gave you? Please now.
Waka.
If you're not treating her, give me. Let me use medicine.
In fact, Gara, avoid me.
Hi. Incredible. This boy, your Omoma. Eh? So, nyagi nalum. Mepe na we where am the butter?
Ogo, Ogini, what happened to you?
Papa, it's James, so I was walking home. He saw me and started calling me. I ignored him. The next thing, he drew my hand. I slapped him. He returned the slap. The next thing, he came for a fight. Although someone saved me.
James. James, everywhere, James.
Where did you meet him? Because this is getting out of hand and we won't take it anymore, Papa.
Don't worry. Don't just worry. I will make sure I cripple him. Huh? After all, he has no father or mother to report this to. I will deal with him. Hey, James. That idiot has been an issue in this community. He will see. My daughter, please, don't just worry.
Papa, warn him, oh. Warn James. You have to warn him.
I will warn him. No one lay his hand on my daughter and go free. Never. It will not happen. Let me go and break myself to bed.
I trust you, Papa. I trust you.
Hi.
It's okay, okay?
Okay, sister.
It's okay. I know what to do.
Okay, sister.
Mama, is she okay? Mama? 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 Mama, it's me. Ibuka, I'm back.
Don't worry. We shall catch him and deal with him. Or I will send Onoche to beat him. James is a nobody. But since he thinks he has power, we shall see.
He was claiming I gave him the first slap. Couldn't believe it. He wants to get Ogata. As if you don't know where brothels are situated.
He will have this family to contend with. Let's father finish, then we'll move.
I will deal with this guy. I will make sure I will deal with this guy.
It's okay.
Chinelo, you said Okoro collected money from you. Walked away without treating Mama just because you refused to sleep with him.
That's the truth. And it's true we are owing him aside the 5,000 because he's been treating Mama since without payment. But I don't know why he would behave in such mannerless way. Eh?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm coming.
Ebuka,
Mama,
where are you going?
let me get the doctor to treat you. I'm coming.
Sorry.
Ogo. Ogo, where is your sister?
Papa, she's at the backyard.
If anyone comes looking for me,
Yes, Papa.
just give the person seat to wait for me.
Okay, Papa.
Let me go and handle that good-for-nothing idiot. Aqua James.
Yes, Papa.
Up here. By the time I'm done with him, he will know who I am.
Okay, Papa.
Come, Puta.
Okay, alright. I will see you in a minute, huh? Just give me a minute. I'll see me. Ebuka, what are you doing here?
Okoro,
Yes.
are you stupid? Have you gone mad? You're heartless. You have no respect for human life. Now this is your money.
Ebuka,
Now that's the money my mother's owed you.
have you gone nuts? No. Are you stupid? What is the meaning of this nonsense? Is it me you threw money at like a beggar?
I just called you a beggar. Now listen to me. I want you to go in there, get your medical equipment, and finish my mother's treatment. Else, you are stupid.
Yes. It's obvious you're mad. Oh, you think you can come to my shop and order me around?
Okoro, are you coming with me or not? Do I have to beat you up first?
Is that a threat?
Listen, I give you 10 minutes to go in there, get your medical equipment, and finish my mother's treatment. Else, I'll bring your shop down.
Oh, it's obvious that Ebuka is insane.
Where is your brother, James?
Iche, I went to my maternal home yesterday. My uncle had an operation on his eyes. I'm just returning. I don't know where he is, but he must be at home.
No, he's not at home. I was coming from your house. He was not at home. I will kill that idiot. Tell him that if he fails to come to my house and explain to me what my daughter Ogochukwu did that warrant him to beat her up like that, I assure you, he will have me and all the deities of this land to contend with.
What is all this problem for? James will not even respect himself. I've talked and talked. It seems as if he is my younger ones, whereas he is the one that's supposed to control me. Biko, calm down, Papa. I will tell him to come and see you.
No. Don't beg for him. No. He doesn't deserve that beg. Let him come. If he fails to come, anything that happens to him, he will manage it.
Please.
I'm telling you the truth.
Please.
Nonsense.
Please, I will tell him. I will talk to him. He will come.
If you like it, tell him.
He will come.
What type of stupid somebody is this?
Wow.
He will
not give up.
Ebuka, what did you do to Okoro? Why is he looking very humble and quiet? The Okoro I know is very proud and arrogant too. Why the sudden change?
I just told him what he needs to understand. Nothing more.
Thank God he came to attend to Mama. I was scared if Mama didn't get the medical attention she needed today, it might get worse tomorrow morning.
Nothing will happen to Mama.
I know. But it's good he came to treat her. So Mama needs to eat something.
Is there no food at home?
No food. So let me go and get something for her.
I think it's best we prepare something in the house. By the way, where's Ogechi?
She went to the farmer. I'm sure she must have been on her way back.
But...
Don't worry, give me money. Let me go and buy the things and prepare.
I think Ogechi will take care of that when she comes.
Okay, no problem. But it's dangerous to leave Mama like this. Let me go and look for something for her to eat. Mama needs to eat. What is dangerous?
And where do you think you're sneaking out with my food?
Uncle, you did not give me the money to prepare this food.
And you don't know that
as your father's younger brother, everything in this compound belongs to me. And you have to obtain permission before you take anything out of here.
Deputy Jesus.
Eh?
Uncle, please, I don't have time for all these things, Biko.
Oh, Jim. Deputy Jesus. Deputy Jesus.
Hey, Mama. Yeah, thank God you're better now. Thank God. Chuku Dalo. I wish you quick recovery. Nugo.
Amen. Thank you so much for your help today.
Mention.
Chuku Gozie.
Amen. I have to be on my way now.
Ebuka, see you off.
Mama, I don't...
Ebuka is getting late.
Mama, I'm sure she can take care of herself. Besides, I don't know my way around. She knows the village better than I do.
Then learn the village terrain.
Mama, Biko, don't worry yourself.
I'm sure you know the village
Yes,
better
I do. Don't worry yourself. Please take care of Mama. Mama, Ngwan, oh.
She'll be fine.
Oh. Okay, Mama, bye.
Mama, why are you forcing me to follow her now?
I'm forcing to get to know her while the people are walking.
Mama, no, I don't know my way around. She knows the village better than I do. She's a village girl. Is she not?
She is. You will learn the village roads. You will also learn certain things about her. Mama,
please.
Good evening, sir.
Chinedu.
Yes, Uncle.
I will forgive your nasty character. You showed up in the afternoon. The next time you walk out on me, I will show you that I followed and got your late mother here before you were conceived.
Uncle, I don't understand you. I was already on my way going out when you came.
Will you shut up? See me in my house tomorrow so that I will tell you why I was here earlier. If you don't see me, Amadioha will visit you.
Amadioha will not visit me, Uncle. I will see you tomorrow morning.
Good.
Kachifo.
Ogechi.
Brother!
Please get Mama's food so she can eat and take her drugs.
But brother, I told you I'm already making food.
What do you mean? Hurry up with it now. Yeah, but I said you should hurry up now so that she can eat and...
That's idiot. Arrest him. Arrest him for assault.
Oh, Koro, what is the meaning of this?
Huh?
Okay, me.
What does it look like? Your son assaulted and almost killed me yesterday.
Yeah, Okoro. Don't ever insult my brother.
Are you Mr. Ebuka?
Yes, I am.
You are under arrest for assault against Mr. Okoro. You have the right to remain silent. Whatever you say right now will be used against you in the court of law.
Okay. That's fine. Understood. You are arresting me for assault. Then you should arrest him for sexual harassment.
It's okay. When you come to the police station, you will explain more better. Sergeant, take him.
But sir, you were not there. You don't know what happened. I can...
Move this man before I commit murder. Listen. Move this
Mama!
Wait. I don't understand. You mean Okoro, the chemist man, called police for Ebuka? Why?
Yeah. Are you asking me? Do I look like Okoro or do I look like a police to you?
Ebuka just returned from the city. And we all heard how things went bad for him. Now you're telling me Okoro called police for him, as in... Lovett, are you sure of what you're telling me?
Oh, I just said I saw the police pushing him along the road and people were watching.
Hey. That's so sad. Hi. Okoro likes police and trouble too much.
Maybe it's because his mother is a retired policewoman and that gave him the miserable guts to be looking for trouble.
Don't just conclude that he was the one at fault until you hear the whole story.
Was that not how we called police for my senior brother? Simply because they had an argument on something and my brother pushed him. It's also.
That your brother? He was the first to push, right?
Yes.
Then who is at fault?
It's just pushing, no.
Hey. Once you first push or even touch, it becomes an offense. Anyway, I will go and see Ogechi to find out what actually happened.
Okay, it's fine. Okoro the troublemaker.
Chinelo! Chinelo! Chinelo!
Uncle, what is it? You want to break the door?
I was calling you, pretended as if
Chinelo.
you know. Oh, good.
Chinelo.
What is it?
It's Brother Ebuka. Okoro came to the house with policemen and arrested him. And they've taken him to the station. Please, you have to come with me.
Ebuka.
Let's go. What kind of problem is this now?
See? Who is Okoro? Who is Ebuka? Ofenkuf. And this girl will not listen to me. Look at the whole place. She has not... Everywhere is dirty. Okoro. Ebuka. Umaka Highway.
What kind of problem is this now?
What happened? Why are you running as if something is chasing after you both? What is it?
Okoro came to our house this morning and arrested my brother.
Arrested your brother? But Ebuka is in the city. Is he back to this village?
No, Mba. He came back yesterday. And he had a problem with Okoro. Because Okoro refused to treat the mother. The mother is critically ill.
Is Okoro stupid? Is he mad? Eh? You know what? Let's go and see your mother first. Let's go.
Let's go, Mama. You bet the police are there. When the police are there, you find another guy in the town. What did I do? What did I do? Can you defend me?
Mama, don't worry. I will go to the station myself.
Pico, let me go with you now.
Mama, stay. Ogechi, you have to stay with Mama.
Let's go. If they see his mother, maybe they will have pity. Yeah?
Mama, don't worry.
Mama, don't worry. He will be fine.
This is not is okay. Baby, no one kg.
Mama, it's okay now.
Leave me alone because it is okay. Mama, that's it's okay. It's okay. Oh, but I'm not competition in back. Yes, because you Rapmaka, let me cry in peace. Come back in that only say you come back.
Ogachuku, my daughter.
Yes, Papa.
I want you to distance yourself from all these village useless boys. Most especially that stupid boy called James Howard. Okay.
Well done, Papa.
Well done. So you have come to plead that I should forgive him. Is that not so? You've forgotten that I sent for him. He completely ignored me. Eh? Hence he cannot come to this place. No problem. Ucheba bonya buna konkiana aga. Ama nabache egwu ananu. Akufecha oya adalawo.
Papa, do you know I saw him today? He was shouting that you cannot see him. Yes, Papa.
Oh God, please. You should be calming your father now, not to eat up the policy. James have not been home since I told him you came looking for him. And you know, he wouldn't have the liver to come here. Huh?
James has not seen anything yet. The next thing that is coming to him is madness. I can only give him 2 market days. Just 2 market days. If he fails to comply, I will have no option than to strike. And that is all.
Please, he's the one person that I have. We need to manage him. Our parents are no more. All we need to do is to advise him and offer prayers. Please, Papa.
No, I've heard you very well. That's a very good speech. You can stand up. And thank you very much. Go. Stand up.
Papa,
thank you very
please.
much. You can go, don't worry.
Papa, please let me stay like this, please, Papa.
To do what?
Go now.
Oh, go?
Go.
I should go.
You can go.
Papa?
You can go.
Go now.
Oh God, because I was saying.
Yes, Papa.
I should go like this.
Distance yourself from people like that stupid James.
Uncle.
My sister.
The sister looks like someone that is no one trouble. Do you imagine she came pleading for that idiot? I'm not Fiango.
James needs that advice to change. Right, that if that one can change.
He lives the life of someone that has lost hope. I think that boy smokes marijuana because the way he behaves. Something is wrong with that boy. Oh.
Is it my business? Am I his sister? Ha! No, it's not my business. So.
Now wow.
People with character.
Okoro, that man is very wicked. How can he insist that Ebuka should not be released? Is it fair?
Ikeguru, this is pure wickedness. I don't even know how all these things escalated to Ikpo police. Eh? Ha! Call that person that he said you should call first. Hi.
I even forgot. Let me call her.
Hi. Koroba wicked.
Yeah, hello. Good day, ma.
Who is this?
My name is Ikenna, Ebuka's friend. She ended the call.
Are you sure it's not network? You can't conclude so fast now. Call her back again. Call her. Hi. Bajurudoro. Kuru.
She's not picking.
Ha! Karaya sana man.
Hi. Chino, what are we going to do?
I don't know. I'm confused. I don't know. Now, and what is all this? Why did you lock Ebuka up? What is all this? Why did you do that?
Chinelo, Warren can never bring Ebuka out from that station. It's only you can do that.
So what do you want me to do?
I want you.
You want me, right?
Yes. Listen, Chinelo. It's because of you Ebuka assaulted me. For that reason, I will have you.
No problems. Just promise you will keep your own part of the agreement.
Why not?
Okay. I'll see you.
Deal?
Deal.
All right.
Life is like a book. It's many chapters. When you read, you learn and understand more about it. There are chapters of pains, chapters of sorrow.
I've come as I promised, but I also want you to know one thing. Ebuka treated you that way out of frustration. He has issues in the city and his mother is sick. Please understand his frustration and forgive him. Bayaro. Oh?
Chinelo, it seems Ebuka is your boyfriend.
Why are you talking like that now? Why? If he's my boyfriend, will I be here? I'm here as we agreed to give it to you. But before we start, you have to call the policeman. Because he will start now, he got busy. So call the police now and tell him to release it.
Are you sure?
Which one is are you sure? They just got right. You don't feel it.
Okay, I'll do that now. Officer, please, if anyone comes for Ebuka, please grant him on bail. Yes. Thank you.
That's my Okoro. See, let's go. But wait, I hope no one is around. I don't want village gossip.
Not at all. Nobody's around.
Let's go.
Okoro had the guts to get me arrested. He had the effrontery to put me in police custody. It's okay, we shall see.
Ebuka, please calm down. Okoro will be dealt with, but for now, just put yourself together. Calm down, please.
You've hurt your friend. You've hurt your friend, Ebuka. Don't go out there to fight Okoro again. Don't go and fight Okoro.
He has not seen the last of me yet.
Okay.
Hello.
Please. Ebuka, calm down. The most important thing right now is that you're out. Biko, kai walone anwayo. Oh?
Biko, Chinelo, Achome Kene. I want to thank both of you. Una anwaka. You have tried. Kefama kanako. Neziano.
Mama, it's nothing. It's nothing. It's okay. Oh?
Don't worry yourself. I'll make sure he does not do anything stupid.
Biko. It's many chapters.
Ikenna, did you say you called Cynthia and she ended the call on you?
Yes. The moment she heard me mention your name, she bounced the call on me.
Ikenna, Cynthia now avoids me.
So Cynthia now avoids me like a plague. Okay now. Sobadro.
Who is this Cynthia? Ebuka, who is Cynthia? Ebuka, I don't know what you experienced in the city, but I want you to know that life does not end here. There is a life ahead if only you can dust up and look ahead.
Amen.
Life is hard on me, pain's all I see. No one will rescue me except you, Lord. Beyond me.
Still not picking up.
Pain's all I see. No one could rescue me except you, Lord. My eyes are fixed on you, Lord. Oh yeah, my cry. Life is hard on me. Pain's all I see. Oh, no one. All I see. Oh, no one could rescue.
The person you're calling might have slept. Just call back in the morning.
Okay, Chi, you won't understand.
I know. But your happiness should come first. It's getting lonely. Let's go and sleep. Brother, let's go and sleep now. The mosquito here is even too much.
I said I'll join you.
I cannot comprehend why Ebuka is bent on draining my battery with his calls. Eh?
Oh, it's Ebuka. Why you guy no go rest? Make person see better husband marry.
See me see wahala. As if Nami be the first girl we don't date person before. Eh? Why is he so daft to read in between the lines? If he's expecting I, Cynthia Mosu, Cynthia na ebe na ako.
Beshelene.
Water. If he's expecting me to stoop so low and marry a destitute like him, village local champion, my go village begin carry firewood. He's living in false dreams.
Ebuka Kobo.
That's the best name for you. Ebuka Kobo. You're wicked.
Chinelo. Chinelo. Okay, you take me for a fool, eh? Chinelo. You take me for a fool. So you came to my house the other day to deceive me. You made me pull my clothes and you run away. Yeah, Chinelo. We're going now. We're going now.
Are you done ranting?
Eh?
Are you done ranting? Why are you behaving like a stupid goat? So you want to sleep with me? Imoma, are you not scared? Just look at you. Look at you, Okoro. You want to sleep with me?
Listen!
You must be stupid. You must be stupid. You think you have brain now? Moa Buchinelo. I've used your brain. Go signal Odoguna Kanyo.
You use my brain, yes. You use my brain. But listen, I will disfigure you now. If you make a step, listen, you will never go scot-free.
Wait. You locked my brother in the cell and you still have mouth to talk. Don't worry.
You are a very stupid boy. Look at a pharmacist like you talking like Agboro. You gotta keep saying.
You made me behave like a tat. Listen, I don't condole it. You think you can deceive me, yeah? Listen, you will never go scot-free.
Ebuka, I know what you're going through right now. I know you've lost everything, but you need to put yourself together. I don't like seeing you looking this worried. I like Ramya. Eh?
Mama, why shouldn't I worry? Tell me, why shouldn't I worry? Imagine starting up a business with all my savings and suddenly everything gets burnt down. Just like that. To make matters worse, the girl I told you I want to marry, Mama, she's aware of the fire incident. But this girl is not even showing me any sympathy. She has changed into something else. I don't understand what is going on.
Mama, I don't even know what to say. But you should know that all that glitters is not gold. Obviously, she was not in love with you in the first place.
Mama, after everything I have been through, I lost everything. And Cynthia, after everything I have done for you, you decided to treat me like this.
Now you have to take it easy. You really need to take it easy. Only God knows why all these things are happening. But I know for sure that the Lord we serve has better plans for you.
But Mama, why should God let me lose everything? Why?
For everything that happens under the sun, there is a reason. Brother, don't worry, eh? I believe God is working on something great for you.
Okay? Don't worry.
Mama, I'm off to choir practice.
You're in a choir practice here. And only one Mama, Billionaire goes in. Mama, I'm coming. Okay. I'm going to choir cage. Nah, Biko, when they are worry will only bring hypertension. You're too young for that, Biko.
It's magic touch on the beat.
My humble abode.
Wow.
Please feel at home.
Wow. Your house is beautiful. It's cool.
Thank you.
I like it.
Thank you.
It's cool. I like it. You know what? Whoever that is close to me is close to riches. And I'm going to spoil you.
You are proficient at spoiling me with money. But before you do that, I will take the lead.
Then before you take the lead, I will teach you the show. Before you take the lead, I will show you. That's how we roll. Well, we'll look at you.
No one could rescue me. Maburagi, my eyes are fixed on you, Lord, hear my cry. Shimo, 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 Shimo.
I don't understand Cynthia anymore. Ever since things got bad for me, she hardly takes my calls. She doesn't even know I have left the city. She doesn't know I have relocated to the village. What kind of a fiancé is she? Is it my fault that things turned out to be like this? Is it my fault that my shop got burnt? Now where do I get money to give her? But wait a minute, does it mean she can't call me to at least know how I am doing?
Why would I give him a call? As far as I am concerned, Chukwuebuka has nothing to offer. And the fact that he keeps calling me without ceasing has left me speechless.
Poor men are the worst on earth. They keep calling you as if they gave you something to keep for them. As if the air you breathe belonged to them.
I don't get it. By now it ought to be clear to him that I am done. But it's like his insufficiency has also affected his thinking faculty. He keeps disgracing his generation. Pest. Gerald was here today.
Really? Just me now. What happened?
Oh, Gini, I've told you to forget the past and forge ahead. Eh? The most important thing to me now is for you to be alive.
Mama, I'm tired of life. What's the point of my existence in this world if I can't provide for my family? I can't even provide for myself.
Nam, a living dog is better than a dead lion. Eh? If you're alive, then you stand the opportunity of making money in different ways and different times. Eh? I'm not saying one shouldn't fail. The important thing is that when you fail, you get up, dust yourself and move ahead. You will still make it.
Mama, I'm trying to do that, but it's not easy.
I know it's not easy. But if you work hard, you will find out that the sky will just be a stepping stone for you. You will make it. I know you will.
Mama?
Hello. How are you?
I'm alright, Mama.
Good.
Ogechi, how are you? Ebuka. What is it? You look troubled.
I'm tired of life.
When you read, you learn and understand more.
Are you serious, babe? Wow. Oh my God. Hey. Hey. See shoe now. Babe, see shoe now. Stop now. Stop. Hey. Stop now.
No. I beg. Come on, your leg now.
I won't take that. I won't try out. No vex. Babe, so you mean Gerard bought all this for you?
I'm telling you, that guy is just so sweet. Do you know that if I had met him earlier, I wouldn't have had anything to do with that impoverished local boy. I beg, my Gerard is full of surprise.
I am telling you, Gerard is the real man. Action man. I like men like Gerard. With them, all your problems are solved. Hey, no, not like Ebuka Kobo. Chai. Babe, I envy you. I envy you.
Come, I don't understand you. Surely you envy me. Others they get one, you won't get two. You have your own, so you don't have to envy me, Biko. You should not. Your own go buy for you. Thank you very much.
It's now for you. See shoe.
No. Please don't try me. I will dive you.
I just won't try.
Try me.
Why you go do like this? You know they borrow your thing.
Borrow. I beg. Go they pack them full hand. They no fit buy.
Can I check this one in my body?
Give me my clothes. My size and your own will be the same thing. Oh, thank you.
Mama. Kejo. It's been a while. I hope you're not worrying yourself too much.
My daughter, I'm not going to if I'm really able to worry. I mean, look at my son. He's now a shadow of himself. And it's worrying me.
Mama, you don't have to worry yourself. Strong people fall. The difference is when they get up even stronger. Inugo, these two shall pass. Oh, you have to be strong.
You're now sounding like a motivational speaker.
Mama.
Hey, okay.
Rescue me, accept you, Lord. Beyond.
Ibuka. Ibuka, see, you have to stop worrying yourself. I know how you're feeling about your loss, but you should thank God you have family that...
You see what I mean? Huh? This is what I'm facing here. He doesn't want to listen to anyone. He's just wallowing in self-pity. And that really worries me.
Mama, I understand, but you have to stop worrying yourself. He's human. He will get over it. Inugo. Oh. No one on your gaboro. Eh? Hey.
Ikenna, I'm still very surprised. Cynthia, a girl I treated with so much care. A girl I took care of when everything was good for me. It's unbelievable. Again, after the fire incident, I decided to sell my car because I wanted to start up a small business so that I can feed and also pay my rent. But unfortunately, I didn't realize much money after selling my car because I was in a hurry to sell it, so they cheated me. But my point is, the moment Cynthia realized I sold my car, she stopped taking my calls. And every time I go to her house, I am told she's not at home.
Ebuka, my friend, women of nowadays are just after money. Once you have money in your pocket, what you'll be hearing is, I love you, I love you, I love you, as if it's your birthright. But they still have the good ones out there. They still have the good ones, the good girls.
Cynthia, Ikenna, I am very surprised. She doesn't know I'm in the village.
Even if she knows, does it matter to her?
I still can't believe it. I can remember Cynthia singing it to my ears every time. How much she loved me. How much she cared about me. But now, she has gone because I have lost everything.
Ebuka, she did those things because you had oil in your hands. And now the oil is finished. Believe me, she's already hooked up with another guy. Those are the girls I call quick service babes. Their services is always short and quick. Once they drain their victim, they will abandon him mercilessly. They're always ruthless and vicious. But trust me, my friend, success is the best revenge to such girls. You just need to pick up and forge ahead. That's just the way forward, my friend.
You're right, Ikenna. Success is the best revenge. That reminds me, how's your mother? How's her health? Is she getting better?
Well, I thank God for everything. My mom, she's just there. I always come out here to assist her in her study, hoping that one day everything will be fine.
Let's trust in God.
Sure.
What, stroke? Stroke is a very bad sickness. I pray she gets better.
Yeah, very soon.
What's that, food? I'm not hungry. I don't feel like eating anything.
Ibuka, I noticed you've been thinking too much of late. Why are you doing this to yourself? How can you be thinking all day without eating anything? Do you want to starve to death? At least eat food so you can have strength to continue your thinking if that's what you truly want.
Why is life so unfair to me?
This is not the end of the road for you. You have to be positive. You have to believe. Oh, you don't do success.